Tablets in 2024 are more powerful than ever, but with so many options, finding the right one feels impossible. Fear not, Tech Fam. This video breaks down the best tablets from productivity powerhouses to budget champs. We'll compare features, prices, and help you find your perfect match. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Apple iPad, 10.2-inch, 9th generation, 2021. The 9th Gen iPad has been a long-standing favorite for its affordability. While its aging A13 chip, Lightning charger, and Touch ID home button may appear outdated, they continue to provide reliable performance. The iPad's screen size is well suited for daily tasks, complemented by features like the auto-zooming center stage camera for video calls. Notably, the first-gen Apple Pencil seamlessly works without requiring a dongle. Retaining a headphone jack adds convenience, and its compatibility with various keyboard cases enhances functionality. Despite its age, the 9th Gen iPad remains a practical and cost-effective choice for users seeking a functional tablet. Number 2. iPad Pro 2022. The 2022 iPad Pro refresh introduced several upgrades, including the powerful M2 chip, faster Wi-Fi 6E, and optional 5G connectivity. Notable features include the Pencil 2's hover capability, activating the display when the stylus is nearby. While hover support in apps is limited, the iPad Pro retains its distinctive elements, such as the 120Hz variable refresh rate display, mini LED HDR display on the 12.9-inch model, Face ID, LiDAR cameras, and Thunderbolt 4 port. Although the front-facing camera lacks landscape orientation like the 10th Gen iPad, the iPad Pro remains the most advanced model, bridging the gap between tablet and Mac. Apple is rumored to be working on a new OLED iPad Pro for the following year. Number 3. Google Pixel Tablet. Google's Pixel Tablet stands out as a versatile and innovative device in the tablet market. With its dockable design, it seamlessly transitions between serving as a home hub and an assistant with speaker dock compatibility. The multitasking capabilities are noteworthy, offering a user-friendly experience. While users need to acquire stylus and keyboard accessories independently, Google's Pixel Tablet excels in providing a compelling alternative for Android users, especially those seeking a family-friendly iPad substitute. Powered by the robust Google Tensor G2 processor, the tablet ensures swift performance. The front camera is well suited for high-quality video chats, and the vibrant display enhances the overall visual experience. The device's clean integration with Google's Android software contributes to its appeal, making it one of the standout tablets released this year. Number 4. OnePlus Pad. The OnePlus Pad stands out with its impressive display, optional keyboard case, and premium features, all packaged at a sub-$500 price point. While the choice between the OnePlus Pad and the Google Pixel tablet is challenging, with a preference for the Pixel tablet overall, the OnePlus Pad distinguishes itself as a sleek personal mini laptop, particularly when paired with its keyboard case and stylus, features that received high praise. This tablet successfully combines high-end performance with affordability, making it an attractive option for users seeking a well-rounded and cost-effective Android tablet experience. Number 5. Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Plus. The Galaxy Tab S9 Plus, an upgrade to last year's favorite S8 series, boasts enhancements like IP68 water and dust resistance and a more powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, expected to arrive in August. This Android tablet is comparable to Apple's iPad Pro and comes in various sizes, with the Plus model featuring a large yet manageable screen. The tablet excels in productivity, thanks to Samsung's DeX interface providing a laptop-like experience. A stunning 12.4-inch Super AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate ensures vibrant visuals, while the inclusion of Samsung's S Pen makes it ready for sketching and note-taking out of the box. Additionally, the tablet can serve as a wireless display, extending your Windows laptop's screen space on the go. Keep an eye out for potential discounts, as Samsung often offers deals on its tablets. We'll provide a comprehensive review once the S9 Plus is thoroughly evaluated. Feeling overwhelmed? Don't sweat it. The best tablet depends on you. If you crave pure Apple magic, the iPad won't disappoint. Budget-minded, the Amazon Fire packs a punch. Need an Android powerhouse? The Pixel tablet or Galaxy Tab S9 Plus shines. Ultimately, the perfect tablet is the one that fits your needs. Watch our other videos for in-depth reviews and happy tech hunting.